Friends, today let's understand what is adultery. Adultery, desertion law that is in the family code or the divorce or the marriage act in various sections. Let's go on into a legal basis. In introduction, I would say that Indian matrimonial law recognizes both adultery and desertion as the key ground for the divorce. In adultery is a modern Indian law. Definition says that voluntary sexual intercourse between a married person and someone other than their spouse. This is a legal evolution. In the year 2018, there was a particular judgment between Joseph Shine versus UI struck down in IPC 497 declaring adultery unconstitutional for violating gender equality, article number 14 and 15. Civil relations remains a valid ground for the divorce under HMA, that is Hindu Marriage Act, Special Marriage Act, that is SMA, and Parsi laws. Armed Forces has an exemption regarding adultery. Military personnel can still face disciplinary action for adultery under Army, Navy, Air Force Acts before they approach to the court under JFMMC, that is CRPC, and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is known as BNS. Proof requirements requires direct evidence of penetrative sexual intercourse under Delhi High Court judgment of 1982. Emotional affairs, online relationships will not be considered on this particular ground of adultery. Consequences. Divorce primarily remedy. Court grants dissolution if adultery is proven. Ancillary orders like impacts on alimony, child custody, and asset divisions. Now, in the next episode, I will tell you in more detail on which grounds desertion works. Like adultery is another concept in law, whereas desertion is somewhat different. With this thought, please keep studying. Please behave good, behave like a good Indian citizen, learn good values and ethics so that you don't face these kinds of circumstances or consequences in your life. With this thought, if you find this information valuable and useful, please share with your family, friends, and everyone. And do subscribe me for more updates regarding law and general knowledge. Thank you very much.